Hello and welcome to All Taste German. The vanilla cream pudding recipe in this video is used for German cakes and pastries, but you can also enjoy it as a creamy dessert. Let me show you how to make this velvet textured vanilla cream pudding from scratch. Add sugar, cornstarch, milk, heavy whipping cream, sour cream and salt to a double boiler and whisk until the mixture begins to thicken. You can do this with an electronic hand mixer, but I prefer to use a whisk. Make sure to use high-quality eggs. They are not only better for you, but they give the vanilla cream pudding a brilliant yellow color. Then gradually add the egg yolks to the mixture and whisk for another few minutes until thick and creamy. Be careful that the mixture does not come to a boil. Now remove the double boiler from the heat. Add the butter and vanilla and blend in. Pour into an airtight container and let cool completely before usage. If you don't use the pudding cream the same day, store in the fridge. It will keep for a couple of days. Try some of our German pastry and cake recipes where we incorporate the vanilla cream. Guten Appetit!